Hello friends, welcome to Upmetrics AI. In this video, I walk you through the steps of creating a comprehensive software company business plan. We will begin by defining a business profile of our software company business and providing essential details so that our AI will learn more about our business idea. Then, we will ask our AI to draft a business plan for us based on the information that we just provided. After we have drafted a plan, I will guide you on how you can customize and give a personalized touch to your business plan. Let's jump right in. We will start by creating a new workspace for our software development startup called Innovatech Solution. Let me tell you, the workspace in Upmetrics is a set of business planning tools like Business Plan Builder, Financial Projection Tool, Pitch Deck Designer, and a set of strategic planning templates. Now here, you need to write some brief about your business idea. Let me show you what you can write over here, like I have written. I, John Doe, along with my partner Jane Doe, plan to establish a software company named Innovatech Solution based in Austin, Texas. Innovatech Solution will specialize in developing innovative software solutions for small business to medium-sized businesses, focusing on CRM and project management tools, etc. Now, once you create a workspace, it leads to a workspace setting wizard that will ask step-by-step questions that you need to answer those questions, so our AI will learn more about your business idea to learn what exactly you are trying to do for a business. Next, what is your business tagline? You can add your business tagline over here. If you don't have a business tagline, simply you can ask our AI to suggest a tagline for your business. Going ahead, this is a software development startup, so this is a mobile apps and software industry that we need to select. Next is the company stage. Our company is still in the idea stage. Is this company currently in operation? No. Next, country and currency settings. We are going to operate from the United States, so no need to change anything here. Next, funding details. What is your current funding situation? We are bootstrapped. Are we looking for a fund? Yes, we are looking for some angel investment of $200,000. What is the purpose of this business plan? It is to seek an investment from angels. Now, here AI will generate a quick questionnaire for us. There, we can answer a brief about those questions, so our AI assistant will learn more about our business idea. Let's see what questions it will generate based on the information that we just entered. Okay. So what primary purpose does your company serve in the software industry? You can write your answer over here. You can even use AI-generated answers for your reference, but you can always personalize and customize this answer. But we are using AI-generated answers to quickly move forward. We are using all 14 answers, which are AI-generated answers. This will generate questions like, what product and what services are we going to sell? What is our operational and management team? Etc. It is basically trying to understand our business idea. Now here, you can invite your colleagues and team members. Okay, so we are done with setting up a workspace. So let me tell you, the workspace includes all these tools such as a business plan builder, financial projection tool, pitch deck designer, and a set of strategic planning tools and templates. Okay, now we are initializing our business plan builder there. We are going to ask our AI to write a business plan for us based on the information that we just inserted. The AI has enough sufficient information so it can write a business plan for us. Now, it is writing all these chapters like company overview, product and services, market analysis, competitor analysis, and more. It has also even prepared subsections for us. Okay. So let's see what it has written in our executive summary. Innovatech Solution is poised to revolutionize the software landscape by offering innovative CRM and project management solutions tailored to needs of the small to medium-sized businesses. Our mission is to empower these businesses by simulating their operations through cutting-edge technology and ultimately enhancing productivity and fostering growth. Now, let's say if you want to improve or rewrite this business content, you can always use our AI writing assistants to auto-write, auto-improve, shorten, and expand. And even you can set the professional, persuasive, and academic tone to your content. Now, let's see what it has written in the company overview chapter. There, it has written the company overview section. Also, it has added one graphical section like a business owner's chart. It has also written the product and services chapter. Moving ahead with the market analysis chapter. Here, it has added customer persona, future markets, and other related sections. Let's say if you want to do a SWOT analysis for your business, you can simply drag and drop a SWOT analysis template from the left sidebar. You can write a prompt over here like, I am writing a SWOT analysis for my business. Please help me write a strengths section in a very brief and listicle way. You can simply use the auto-write option to start writing content for your SWOT analysis section. Okay, so it has been written strengths section for our Innovatech software startup. You can use this content for your SWOT analysis, and you can always personalize and customize this content, but it will prepare a first draft for you so you don't have to start writing from scratch. There is always an AI assistant to write the content for you. Now moving ahead, go to the financial chapter. Here, we see all the data is 0. That is because your financial forecasting setup is incomplete yet. We need to set up the financial forecasting. Let's follow this link. Here we have to provide these 3 parameters: forecast start date, plan duration, and financial year start date. Our forecast will start from January 2024. We will do a business plan for the next 3 years, and our fiscal year will begin in January. So let's set these 3 data and move ahead. Okay, it has initialized our finance forecasting module. Here, we can see all these finance stream sections where you can enter your data and forecasting assumptions. Let's say we are generating our revenue through software sales and subscription business. This is a recurring charge revenue. Let's say per month we have some 50 users. Also, we have a 2% growth rate and a 1% churn rate. Enter the setup price as $50 per new subscription. For how much is the recurring charge? The recurring charge is $75 we are charging for the subscription. Let's say for sales, this will take some time to set up the operations, so we will be able to start our sales from July. So from July, it will display data. Okay, so now we are done with adding the revenue. Now, for the cost of sales, our software cost and licenses are 20% of the revenue. So we are done with adding the cost of sales data. Now we'll ask AI to suggest some expenses for our softwares and mobile business. Let's choose digital marketing, office rent, and project management tools. Let's add digital marketing expenses. For digital marketing, let's say we are spending some $1,500 every month for our business. We are spending some $2,500 for office rent. For the project management tools, we are paying $1,500 every month. For the personal salaries, we will ask AI to suggest some employees that we will need. Let's choose a receptionist, CEO, marketing manager, and HR manager. Okay, for the receptionist, let's say we are paying $3,500 per month with a 10% yearly increment. CEO is taking a $7,000 monthly salary with a 10% increment. To the marketing manager, let's say we are paying a $5,000 monthly salary with a 10% yearly increment. To the human resources executive, we are paying $4,000 every month with a 10% yearly increment. With that, we are done adding all the personal resources. Next, funding. Let's say we are taking funding from the angel investor and we are taking $200,000 as funding. Now let's add the assets. We are purchasing some tools like software development tools and IT infrastructure. Let's say we are spending some $50,000 for these assets. Let's say after 3 years, there is a salvage value of 50%. So it will calculate depreciation for that. Okay, now we are done with adding all our financial assumptions for assets, funding, revenue, cost of sales, expenses, and salaries. Now it will prepare a dashboard. There, we'll see what financial metrics it has calculated. It has calculated cash in, cash out, net cash, and how much funding it will require to start this business. It still requires around $73,000 in order to start this business. Here, we will also see by when we are going to be profitable. We are going to make a profit by February 2026. Okay, so this is after a year, this business is going to be profitable. Now, under the report section, you will find all the key reports here, such as a profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow. It has also calculated some other reports like break-even and ratio analysis. You will also find other reports over here. Now, going back to the financial chapter of our business plan, there we will see it has calculated all the data. This data was 0 previously, but now we can see it has been calculated and it is showing all the data under all these reports. Now, let's say you want to display or if you want to add some reports or financial graphs to your business plan. You can simply go to the Finance section of the left sidebar, and there you will find Financial Reports and Financial Charts. You can simply drag and drop this chart. Let's say if you want to display a break-even chart in our business plan, simply drag and drop this chart, and you will see it has added the break-even chart into our business plan. Now, we are done with writing a business plan as well as calculating our financial forecasting for our software startup. Now it's time to design the cover page. We are providing a set of cover pages you will find over here. You can choose anyone from a pre-designed set of cover pages, and you can even customize and give a personalized touch to your brand color. Now, let's say you are done with preparing your business plan, and if you want to share it with your colleagues, investors, or the bank, you can simply download your business plan in PDF or doc format. Even you can share it online using a link. Now, we just created a business plan for your software company business. Remember, this is just a blueprint for your foundation. With Upmetrics, you can refine your forecasts, tailor your strategies, and adapt your plan to meet the demands of your target market. Try Upmetrics to create your business plan today. Join us in our next video for more such business planning tips and strategies for your software company business plan startup. Till now, thank you. Goodbye.